Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
Salama Samoa, I'm Jack Laban. For any competition, I'm all about speed, skills, culture, and of course, my Texas. Wa'ualia.
O lawin siwa e au wala i se te unga tupe mo le lumanai manuia. E mole puipuinga tau tupe o lo soifua, mai mawhai ona taunu no atu, mo so se mahua anga i te whina ngalo iai.
Samoa Life, le insiua mo tangata nuu o Samoa.
We're here to give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota.
I feel my nei loy le Federal Pacific Finance no so mana onga tau tu pe serving sa.
Famia ina I squasiki ale jaika e malanga toila to nei I Japani mo awa onga. O te whamaruru atu po. Leo whamaina ne ngana whapreta mia o na o le whino ni a tatou maktama le nei asu. Ladies and gentlemen, I am truly honored to welcome you all to this historic occasion. My name is Rebecca Nanyan, and I would like to extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Today holds special significance as we gather to celebrate the recipients of the SDGs program. But before we announce this year's scholarship recipients, I would like to extend our gratitude to the representatives of the government of Samoa who have graced us with their presence. I would like to, we are honored to have you with us today. Afiola Natawai Fa'ana, Tili Afumasanga from the Public Service Commission, as well as Ms. Angela Ula from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. And without further ado, I would respectfully invite JICA resident representative, Ms. Yumiko Sakuma, to officially announce the recipients of the Sustainable Development Goals Global Leader Program 2023 and for her remarks.
Taloha and very good afternoon. So I stand before you today with immense pleasure as we gather to acknowledge the recipients of the SDGs Global Leader Program 2023. Allow me to extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed guests, Ms. Gatoro Aifana Tirima Saga from the Public Service Commission, and Ms. Angela Ura from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade, as well as members of the media and for joining us on the memorious occasion. So ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and families and friends. So greetings to you all. I'm Yumiko Asakuma, the Regent Representative of JICA Samoa Office. today we celebrate the achievement of exceptional individuals who have demonstrated unwavering commitment to their dreams and aspirations. So it is great pleasure that I announce the recipients of the JICA SDGs Global Leaders Program for 2023. So for the undergraduate program, which entails studying for a bachelor's degree at Recipents Asia Pacific University. So Mr. Anthony Tufaga Tueva. And Miss Krismila Huatai Tower Matatia. And Miss Mary Rose Matatia. And then postgraduate program where they will pursue master's degree at the same institution. Miss Elisabetta Valeri. And Miss Niwa Susanna Tabita Kitty Owner. And for the doctor's program at Kumamoto University, Mr. Asela Wayne Asela. So we recognize the achievement of Mr. Asela, who unfortunately couldn't be with us today as he's already in Japan. So Mr. Asela is a shining example of our program's success, having previously participated and earned his master's degree at Kumamoto. And he will now pursue his PhD, furthering his dedication to Samoa's development. So these outstanding scholars have gone through an application process, demonstrating their commitment and passion for sustainable development. So in just 2 weeks, they will embark on a transformative journey to Japan to pursue their studies. So this is the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, Global Leader Program, established in Japanese fiscal year 2019 as a testament to our commitment to global cooperation for sustainable development. So it aligns with the government of Japan's OSHA development goals and falls under JICA's Knowledge Co-Creation Program long-term training. The SDGs program is a bridge that connects the people of Samoa to higher education institute in Japan, fostering individual networks, these invaluable networks. And this initiative not only supports the government of Samoa's human resources development plans, but also strengthens the bilateral ties between Samoa and Japan. So this year is the 50th anniversary of our diplomatic cooperation, so the special year for us. So the heart of the SDGs program lies in the human resource development. Our scholars will acquire knowledge and experiences in their chosen fields with hope that they will return to Samoa as agents of positive change and utilization of their net funding expertise and contribute to Samoa's development. So on this note, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the parents and friends of the scholars for your support in their journey. So I have no doubt that your encouragement has been instrumental in their success. I also extend my gratitude and appreciation to the government of Samoa, particularly the Public Service Commission and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade, for your continued support to our valued partners in administrating the JICA's SDGs program. So in conclusion, I would like to convey my best wishes to the recipients as you embark on this life-changing journey of the knowledge and self-discovery in Japan. So your dedication is an inspiration, and I have no doubt that you will make your country proud. So congratulations, and may your studies in Japan will fill of growth, achievement, and realization of your dreams. So thank you, and best of luck to you all. So, Pakitala.
Thank you very much, Asakuma-san, for your remarks and for the announcement. Let's give another round of applause for our congratulations to our recipients. Thank you. So, as Asakuma-san mentioned, one of our recipients who unfortunately couldn't be here with us. An interesting tidbit about Sarah, he was among the first Samoans to be selected and participated in the SDGs program in 2016. Back then, the program was called the Pacific Leads. So there were 4 of them, and Sarah was one of them. So this is a really great achievement for Samoa in terms of human resource development. So we are very, very proud of Sarah, because he's the first Samoan recipient to be accepted into the PhD level program. So congratulations to all of our recipients, and also thank you again, Asakuma-san, for your remarks. And now I would like to turn the time over to Mataloai Fa'ana, Tilia Masanga, for
I also believe that we have here the parents and spouses of our awardees and other recipients this afternoon. Also acknowledge the presence of our media, members of the acting CEO of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade, as well as representatives from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade, as well as the Public Service Commission. I hope I haven't missed out anybody else. And of course, the staff of the JICA office here. The Public Service Commission, on behalf of the government of Samoa, was extremely pleased and honored to be here this afternoon to offer our gratitude and thanks to the government of Japan through the JICA office for your support to the development of human resources in Samoa, and for today's occasion specifically through your training scholarship program. We note that since 1968, JICA started its support program through technical trainings for mainly Samoan nationals and citizens, and to date, the number of persons who have received training and educational support through the JICA programs has exceeded 2,000. This support has been mainly through the Knowledge creation program, the group and region focus program, country focus program, and now, of course, the Global Leaders Training Program. PSA has also noted that since 2016, 31 awardees were granted scholarships from Samoa, and for that we are extremely grateful. The stats for JICA support is impressive, and I'll just read them out. Approximately over 2,000 plus Samoans have traveled to Japan to attend JICA trainings. 50 plus online trainings conducted online since 2020, and with over 60 Samoan participants attending various online trainings. And there are also 31 trainings approved for 2023, I believe, and there's an expected 42 expected participants from Samoa who travel to Japan this year. As I said, these stats are very impressive, and we are, the government of Samoa, is extremely grateful. For the special occasion this afternoon, this is to recognize the achievement of very fortunate and lucky people from Samoa who have been granted an opportunity to study in Japan under its Global Leadership Program. And also note that there were 16 applicants, and you have awarded these scholarships to 6 very, very fortunate awardees. So the government of Samoa thanks you very much for this. I note in particular the good wishes and the good faith that you have provided in terms of the bilateral relations between the government of Samoa and Japan. And we know that that goodwill and good faith will continue. For the awardees this afternoon, it's not going to be easy, especially for those who leave behind their families and their spouses. But I hope the 2 gentlemen here that I'm referring to are here, both of you are here. And I would ask that you are patient, and that you are steadfast, and that you continue to pray that your better house will come back successful in the programs. I also note the achievement by the PhD awardee, and that is very extremely gratifying for them to Samoa. So with those words, I'd like again to reiterate thanks from the government of Samoa. I wish all the awardees great success in your studies overseas, and I wish all of us here in Samoa will be staying behind. Betul mo pala ia mau tato tatalo ia manuia ia tamo faina amo fana. If after tele lava, yes.
Thank you very much, Fiona Tuai, for your remarks and for highlighting the significant support provided by the government to JICA's Knowledge Co-Creation Program. Before I forget, I would like to acknowledge one of our ex-participants for the SDGs program who is here with us today. Maina Kitiona, can you please stand up? Thank you for being with us here today. And now let's move on to the introductions. This is a truly special moment for the recipients of the SDGs program. But before we get into that, let's not forget the support from the families and friends of these recipients. We thank you for your support to them. So to begin these introductions, I would like to invite each recipient to share a brief introduction and tell us about your program of study in Japan and the duration of your program. Let's start from this side first. Thank you.
Yeah, Tarufa. My name is Miwa Kitioma. I will be studying Masters of Business Management. More into the side of systems. I'll be studying for 2 whole years, and so looking forward to go. But I can't wait to, first of all, say thank you to JICA for providing this great opportunity, and hopefully we'll be coming back with something very useful. Yeah, Hajimemashite, Chris Mara Matsutia desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Talofa and greetings to you all. My name is Chris Mara Matsutia. I'm 20 years old, and I'm blessed to be one of the successful scholarship candidates for the undergraduate program, which is funded by the JICA SDG Global Leadership Program 2023. First and foremost, I want to give back the glory and honor to God for His grace upon my life, which has brought me here this far in my journey, and because He owns and deserves all glory. Secondly, I must acknowledge my heartfelt gratitude towards the government of Japan for establishing for establishing this given opportunity through the JICA Scholarship SDG Global Leadership Program. I am truly grateful for this opportunity. It is definitely a milestone in my personal journey, especially as being one of the students that was stuck in Samoa since the state of emergency due to COVID-19 virus, right after graduating from preparatory year at the National University of Samoa. Of course, not forgetting, I also want to thank the government of Samoa, particularly to the Isasi and FATT. Thank you for your well-thought initiative, which had brought about this partnership with the Japanese government. I'm absolutely thrilled to be part of this once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I intend to take full advantage of this scholarship and maintain my focus throughout these 4 years of education. My studies at the moment, I applied for a bachelor's undergraduate in business administration, majoring in international relations. So, of course, I look forward to coming back and to invest back to our country. Arigatou gozaimasu.
My name is Anthony Tipona. I am pursuing a degree, undergraduate degree for sustainable tourism, and I'm so grateful and honored for the opportunity given by JICA, of course, and of course the government of Samoa in supporting our dreams and aspirations. And we're so thankful, so grateful to God as well for this chance that He's granted us. And we're looking forward to studying in Japan in a time span of 4 years. And yeah, we're also very excited to come back and invest into the country. Thank you so much.
Hajimemashite, Mary Rose desu. Talofa lava, papiloa ia tunake ne awauni, oro iwa o Mary Rose Matatia. I'm 22 years of age. I'm currently applying for the undergraduate program for business administration. As you can tell, on my right is my sister. So this opportunity is a very significant time for us, and we would like to extend our sincere gratitude to the government of Japan through JICA for this opportunity. This is a dream come true for us to be able to pursue our dreams together as sisters. But not only that, this is a dream come true for our late grandparents that are no longer with us today. So today is a very important day, and it's a day that we will always remember when things starts to get challenging. We'll think back of today and of this opportunity that we're given once in a lifetime. So I'm sincerely thankful to Japan, the Japanese government, and as well as the Samoan government for creating pathways for us to pursue our studies, and most importantly, like you correctly mentioned, the building of the human resources of our country, which is something I strongly believe in, that it's a need in Samoa, and we look forward to be part of this initiative, to be able to contribute to the sustainable development goals of Samoa through this program, and we look forward to come back and give back to our country, but not only that, establish international collaboration between Japan and Samoa. I will be I'm taking a bachelor's degree in business administration at the Recipents Asia Pacific University, which is a multicultural university which provides a very conducive environment for us, and we wouldn't feel too homesick. So rest assured we'll be okay, but all in all, we give back the glory to God, for all of this is a gift from Him, and we continue to magnify His name.
Introduction. Okay, greetings and talofa lava. Again, I am Isabetta Valeli, and 32 years of age, and I will be studying as a mature student at the Recipents University. Today, I would like to convey my sincere appreciation to both the government of Samoa and Japan for these prestigious opportunities which enable us to further studies in Japan. I would also like to extend my deepest gratitude to my family, parents, Samoa JICA staff and work colleagues at the PSC who have been so understanding and cooperative during the process. I appreciate you all. I am very humbled and look forward to start this academic journey along with my dear fellow scholars, and I hope that this award will inspire others to pursue their passions and to never give up on their dreams, no matter what challenges they may face along the way. So it took me 1 year to learn Japanese, so I'll try and say this for the sake of Yumiko-san and her colleagues. Hajimemashite, watashi wa Recipents desu. Watashi wa Recipents Daigaku ni yugu suru ode desu. Nippon Shifu no kigai gi gansha shimasu. Mada, gazoku, ryojin, Samoa no JICA staffu, to ryo no sapoto ni mo gansha shitai to omoimasu. Watashi wa kenki o kimochi de kono tabi ni mukete chubi o todoinete kimashita. Watashi no yo me wa tatoi tono yo ko nani ni jokumen shite mo keshite yume o kariame no yomi ni Kanjoti tachi o gobu suru godoi desu. Domo arigato. Mata ne. Baktaisen lava.
I would like to say thank you to our recipients for your introductions. Let's give another round of applause for our recipients. We extend our best wishes for your studies and hope you have the best experience and enjoy every moment of your academic journey in Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we draw the formalities to a close. I would like to express my gratitude to each one of you for gracing us with your presence. We will now transition into the photo session, followed by the interview session, where the media will have the opportunity to engage with our recipients. To the media, we thank you. Your presence here today is truly appreciated. Once again, we extend our heartfelt thanks to all who have joined us today. Our appreciation goes out to the parents and friends of the recipients who are here with us today, and as well as the recipients, and of course the representatives from the government of Samoa, ESC and MFAT. And for your information, we have prepared some light refreshments for everyone. So please take a pack before you leave. Yeah, malo lava. So now we will have the photo of the group. Could we have the recipients up here with MFAT first?
Yep, おめでとう。